Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download survey to ticket workflows from Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. To download survey to ticket workflows from Zendesk, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center by clicking on the gear icon in the sidebar. Select apps and integrations from the menu. Next, click on Zendesk Marketplace. Use the search bar to find survey or the specific app you're interested in. Once you locate the app, click on its name to access the app details. Look for options related to workflow or data exports. If availability is present, select Download or Export for the workflow. Follow any prompts or instructions provided on the screen to initiate the download process. Make sure you choose the correct format for the export, such as CSV or JSON. Save the downloaded file to a secure location on your device. After downloading, open the file to ensure it contains the expected data. Review the details to confirm the accuracy of the workflow information. Once verified, you can proceed to use the downloaded workflows as needed. For additional modifications, consider using spreadsheet software to adjust the data to fit your requirements. Keep in mind that any changes should comply with your company's data handling policies. If you encounter issues during the download, revisit the app details for troubleshooting tips or FAQs. As a final step, log out of your Zendesk account for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.